Most real estate AI is a front door helper. It answers a question, books a tour, then steps aside. CloneMe is different. We don't sit at the front door, we run the whole building. Tools like Elise AI or RentBerry solve one slice. Elise AI automates the resident conversation. RentBerry handles the rental marketplace. Good tools, narrow jobs. CloneMe connects all your business systems into one intelligent operating layer. So after that lead comes in, the work doesn't stop. It keeps moving. And it plugs directly into the systems you already run. Yardi, AppFolio, RealPage, your CRM, calendar, and email, so nothing needs to be rebuilt. Think of it this way. Those systems are the plumbing and the wiring, already installed. CloneMe is the intelligence that makes every room respond, coordinate, and work together. Your clone doesn't just chat, it operates. It joins your meetings and participates. It texts and calls leads, follows up, schedules showings and closings. It automates the busy work, so your team can focus on what actually needs a human. And it's role-ready, out of the box. Dozens of real estate roles ready to go. Leasing, transaction coordinator, acquisitions, property management, marketing, investor relations. Start with one high-friction role, prove the value, then expand. A full digital team you can stand up in minutes, not months. Here's the part that changes everything. Every clone runs on your own knowledge base. Your properties, your processes, your playbooks. And it doesn't forget. It remembers every conversation, every preference, every detail about how you work, building a private, evolving memory of your business over time. That's owned intelligence. AI that actually knows you, not just the internet. And it's not only for work. Your clone can manage your personal business, schedule, and planning too. Enterprise-grade automation or self-sign-up in minutes. CloneMe, advanced AI for intelligent real estate operations.